Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And I'm Carolyn and I just love my clothes and sharing them with you. So what do I have today? Well, I have a couple little odds and ends and I was debating whether or not to show you, but I said why not? So let me just show you. So first up, nothing very exciting, but Soma was having a bra sale and I could use a few new bras. So these are your basic, what do they call these? Embrace? Let me try and see what the name of them is. Actually, it's no name. I believe they're called Embraceable. Yeah, Embraceable Perfect Coverage Bras. There's really nothing special about them. They were $29 on sale, and typically these fit nice. They are just practical. They make me look good. They're molded, but not like a padding in the cup. And I got two of these in beige, and 34C is my normal size, but I will try them on just to be sure, and then I can ditch some of the ones that I had. Now, some of you might have remembered from another video, I got a really pretty crocheted sweater from a company, a little boutique, and I couldn't return it, and it's okay because I really love it. But when I put the crochet sweater on, because of the holes in the crochet, you could see my beige bra right through. So I'm like, oh, now I need a pink bra. Well, because they were having a $29 sale at Soma, I found this bra. And I just thought, because I was looking online, that this would be the perfect color with it. Now, I don't know if it's going to be the perfect color or not. I will try it on with it. However, the one thing I didn't realize, it did say it was a push-up bra, and it was the only one on sale in this color, so I had to grab it. What I didn't realize, because push-up, I usually don't, I just get a basic full coverage or perfect coverage bra. This thing has about 10 pounds of padding in it, and padding is the last thing I need. I mean, there's a good inch and a half thick of padding right here. I'll try them on, and I'll put it on with a crochet sweater, but something tells me I'll be returning this and getting my $29 back. Again, my normal 34C. Stitch Fix Freestyle. I do need black leggings. There's not much I need, but I do need some black leggings. I got these. They're glider. I will give you the link below. I forgot that, I think they were like $78, so not exactly cheap. They're the pure high waist performance legging in black, size extra small, and they were a shorter length. I can't remember what the inseam was, but it was definitely shorter. It's like a crop style, and usually crop style is full length on me. And I have to say, I really do like the material on these. These are very similar to the Lululemon material. I'm not a fan of the Beyond Yoga material. I like this slicker kind of feel, and yeah, I like them. So hopefully they fit. And then last up, I have to give credit to Serena Style. She posted about this blazer on sale from Banana Republic Factory. It is a linen blazer. I've had a linen blazer on my list for some time. I tried purchasing from one from Poshmark last year. Also, it was from Banana Republic or Banana Republic Factory, I forget which one, and it was a 2 petite, but it was way too small for me, and I ended up giving it to a friend. This is also a 2 petite. Hopefully this works out for me. This one actually looks big, but you never know when you put it on. I think it's just the style. And I do, quote, need a white linen jacket. There have been times where I put something on, I went, oh, I need a white linen jacket to go with this. All right, so give me a minute, and I'll pop these things on. Okay, the first thing that I have on are the glider leggings, and I love these leggings. I am so stoked to find these, and I now found another legging other than Lululemon that I like. They have this really thick high waistband here, comes above my belly button is here, comes like maybe like half an inch to an inch above it. They're capri style, which is full length on me, and these work, and I can't wait to wear these to the gym. And I actually need these. You know, I go to the gym every day. I only have 5 pairs of leggings, so I'm literally washing them, putting them back on, washing them, putting them back on. Is it enough? Yes, but barely enough. So I'm very happy to add these leggings to my wardrobe. Give me a minute, and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, the next thing I have on is something technically you cannot see, and it's that crazy push-up bra that I thought would never work for me. So I have to say, I am not used to wearing any kind of bra with padding, and this has a heck of a lot of padding. But I put it on with the sweater, which is the whole purpose of getting this bra, and it was $29 on sale. And I think it works. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage, but I don't think you can see my bra through the crochet. I think the color matches, so you're not seeing it. And not only that, the way the straps lie, I think it's covered here too. So I don't think I'm poking out anywhere with this bra. I do think there is a little bit poking out in the back, but it's lace. So let me turn around, show you the back, and of course I'll be checking the footage too, and maybe I can even like tie this tighter so you don't see the lace of my bra poking out in the back. So I think that this bra is a winner. And I'm very surprised. Again, I'm not used to all this crazy padding. It's the last thing I need, but hey, for $29, and if it works, I'm keeping it. All right, I'm gonna try on the rest of the bras. I'm not gonna actually demo them for you because I don't think there's a need to. They're just my basic bras. But yeah, just make sure they fit, and then I'll come down with my jacket. Give me a minute. Okay, last up is the Banana Republic Factory Blazer. It is supposed to be white, but I'm actually looking here in the camera and the footage, and I'm almost thinking it's almost an off-white. I'm not so sure this is horrible, but it wasn't quite what I expected. I did button it up so you can see what it looks like buttoned. I think it fits buttoned. I don't think it's pulling anywhere. Again, the footage should tell me. Here is the back of it. Again, I think there's plenty of movement in here. And I think it fits that way. My only thing is that the sleeves I think are a little bit short, especially when I go like this. That said, I would roll these up anyway. So you're gonna have to let me know what your thoughts on the sleeve length are, what I should do. Should I return this? Because it was $58, which is not cheap. But for a blazer, it's really quite affordable, especially a linen blazer, all right? And especially a lined linen blazer. So I would roll them up and I would not button it. That is just my style. So I would wear it just like this, and how I would wear it. So let me know your thoughts on this and whether or not you think this is my keeper. I've been on a hunt for a linen blazer for a while. I think $58 is a good price for a linen blazer. It does have the kick pleat here in the back, but it is sewn shut. And obviously I would unhook that. And that is it for this haul. I got a bunch of boxes here, and thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.